Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off message requests on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just go down here, you click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you like this. You click here on data privacy, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just scroll down and you come here to messages here, and you just come to this window, you come here to message requests. You will click here on this sign or this color, and like you say color it's gone, that's mean message request is some of no. I wish you know you agree. That's all, so just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you.